Okay. Today we see unit second. Unit second is IO interfacing. Part first. In that last lecture we see interfacing of DAC with 8051 microcontroller DAC 0808. Today we see program for interfacing. The program statement is design 8051 base system to interface DAC. Write an assembly language program to generate triangular wave. We are generating the triangular wave. We see the program for this. Firstly, interfacing diagram of 8051 microcontroller with DAC. Here it is the 8051 microcontroller. This 8051 microcontroller this is the VDO supply plus VCC and this is the ground terminal. One supply terminal, one ground terminal. These two pins crystal 1 and crystal 2. Crystal 1 and crystal 2. This is 30 picofarad capacitor. This is 11.059 megahertz frequency. This crystal frequency is 11.0592 megahertz. This is the crystal frequency. Means 8051 microcontroller interface with DAC. Then we see the pin diagram for this 8051 microcontroller. In this, there is a crystal 1 and crystal 2. We see the circuit for this in last lecture. This is crystal 1 and crystal 2 and 30 picofarad capacitor, and this terminal is connected to ground. Here 30 picofarad capacitor and here crystal frequency is 11.0592, and this is the reset pin. Okay, reset pin. We see the circuit for reset RST. Here it is a reset switch. Okay. And reset switch, there is a 10 picofarad capacitor. This is 10 picofarad capacitor and 10 kilo ohm resistor. Okay, 10 kilo ohm resistor, 10 picofarad capacitor and connected to plus VCC. Here also 3 pins is okay. EA bar, PSEN bar. This pin is EA bar, external access. This pin is also connected plus VCC supply external. And here it is a program store enable means PSEN bar, and this pin is ALE, address lag enable. Okay, this is the pin diagram of 8051 microcontroller. And here 4 port 0, port 1, port 2 and port 3. Here we use port 1 only. And this is the remaining port. Remaining 3 ports. This is port 0, port 2 and port 3. Here we use only port 1. And the function of port 0 to port 3 is similar to function of port 1. Means this 3 port is also connected to pull-up resistor. Pull-up resistor connected similar to port 1. Okay. And here it is port 1. In this port 1, we see here it is a DAC. DAC IC 0808. Okay. Port 1.0, port 1.1, 1.2, 1.3, 1.4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. Here port 1.0 and 1.1, 1.2, 1.3, port 1.4, 1.5, 6 and 7. Okay. And this DAC, it is a digital input line. Accept DAC, I say accept digital input and converted into analog output. Here digital input is A1, A2, A3. This 8 pins is reserved for digital input. A4, A5, A6, A7 and A8. This is nothing but the digital input. This pin is connected to pull-up register. Okay. And this all pull-up register is connected to plus VCC. This is 10K, 10K, all pull-up register is 10K. And similar, this pull-up register is connected to port 0, port 2 and port 3. In this DAC, there is a V reference plus. Okay. Reference voltage positive as well as reference voltage negative. V reference plus and V reference minus. This is 2.5K. This connected to plus VCC. Okay, 5 volt supply is given and this is V reference minus. Means negative reference voltage. Okay, and this is connected to ground. Here V reference plus and V reference minus, we use 2.5 kilo ohm resistor. Then here we use I to V converter. Open base I to V converter. Okay, this is 5K. Here we give an output, V output. This is nothing but the I0. Here it is 1K and V output. Output of this I to V converter is nothing but the I0. Here it is a plus VCC minus VCC. This terminal is connected to ground. This is the interfacing diagram of 8051 microcontroller with DAC. And we see the assembly language program for generating the triangular wave by using DAC. This DAC is used for generation of square wave, triangular wave, sine wave. Okay. Assembly language program for generation of triangular wave. In this triangular wave, these steps is step first is here port 1 we use in interfacing diagram. Port 1 is used, means initialize the port 1. First step is initializing the port 1, and then port 1 is initialized as a 00H. Okay, first step is we use here port 1, then initializing the port 1 as a 00H. Then increment port 1 by 1, means port 1 is increment. Increment port 1, okay. Then port 1 is 01H, 02H, 03H. Then increment up to port 1 is FFH. Then again decrement port 1 till 00H, means port 1 increment करायचे एकदा FFH पर्यंत, then परत decrement करायचे 00H पर्यंत. हा प्रोग्राम करायचा आपल्याला ट्रायंगुलर वेव्ह मध्ये, कारण की ट्रायंगुलर वेव्ह कसं असते लाईक दिस 00H up to FFH, then 00H FFH, FFH 00H. ओके, आता ट्रायंगुलर वे मध्ये आपण पोर्ट 1 यूज केलाय. पोर्ट 1 एकदा इनिशियलाइज करून घ्यायचं. फर्स्ट 0 0 येत देन इन्क्रीमेंट करायचं. इन्क्रीमेंट म्हणजे अप टू FFH. तो FFH झाल्यानंतर परत डिक्रीमेंट करायचा अप टू 0 0 H. We see the program for this. Triangular wave generation. In triangular waveform generation, the assembly language program start of the program from .org 00H. This is the directive. Here we use origin of the program .org 00H. This indicates that the start of the program .org 00H. Here we use long jump LJM start. Okay. Then initializing port 1 means here first we initialize port RG 0100 here. Okay. This is start of the program. Then move a comma hash 00 here means the accumulator first. Accumulator clearing the accumulator. Okay. Initializing the port 1 as 00H. आपली step first काय initialize port 1 as a 00H. Then first here move a comma hash 00H. First accumulator is clear and then content of accumulator is moved into port 1. Means आता accumulator ची content काय झालेलं आपल्या 00. ते 00 कुठे मूव करायचं आपल्याला port 1 मध्ये म्हणजे initializing the port 1. Then increment port 1 म्हणजे port 1 काय करायचं आपल्याला increment करायचं आहे. Means increment accumulator. Then compare and jump. Here we use compare instruction. म्हणजे आता आपला port 1 increment झाले. port 1 एक increment झाले. आता दुसरं काय केलं आपण फर्स्ट इनिशियलाइज केला port 1 as 00H. त्यानंतर इन्क्रीमेंट केला एक ने port 1 इन्क्रीमेंट झाला म्हणजे काय 01H then 02H. आता ही प्रोसेस चालू राहणार आहे. आपल्याला here we use instruction compare and jump if not equal to CJNE. CJNE means compare and jump if not equals to 00 if not equals to FFH. Okay. This instruction meaning is compare and jump if not equals to FFH. Here we use here. Okay. आता तो एक वाढत जाईल कुठपर्यंत वाढलं पाहिजे जोपर्यंत तो FFH होत नाही तोवर हे लूप काय होईल repeat compare and jump then jump to here then move port 1 comma A then increment A till up to port 1 reaches to FFH. Here start instruction to initialize the port 1 move A comma hash 00H. This instruction is used to incrementing the port 1. Then the content of accumulator is moved into port 1. Move port 1 comma A means content of accumulator is moved into port 1. Then here port 1 is all are ones means port 1 is FFH. Then decrement A. Up to here we use also compare and jump. Compare and jump if not equals to compare and jump if not equals to 00H. CJNEA comma hash 00H means compare करायचे हे लूप रिपीट करायचे कुठपर्यंत रिपीट करायचे जोपर्यंत आपला port 1 हा 00 हो 9. Okay, here we use the instruction next. हे लूप केव्हा रिपीट होणार आहे जोपर्यंत आपलं पोर्ट 1 हा 0 होत नाही तोपर्यंत ऍक्युमुलेटरचे कंटेंट पोर्ट 1 मध्ये मूव्ह होणार आहे डिक्रीमेंट ऍक्युमुलेटर एक एकने डिक्रीमेंट होणार आहे अप टू पोर्ट 1 इज 00H. Then again SJMP here. Okay, short jump to here. Here decrement, then again increment and end. This indicates that the end of the program. This whole program is for interfacing of DAC-V 8051 microcontroller for generating the triangular wave. Remaining part we see in next lecture.